Hi P5 students, welcome back to our science class with Ms. Ida. So for this video lesson, we're going to learn Unit 1, Lesson C, what is condensation? Let's get our science pupils book and open it on pages 18 to 21 while watching this video. So what are you waiting for, children? Let's get started. Our learning outcomes for this lesson are the following. Recognize that condensation is the process of a gas changing into a liquid, and that is the reverse of evaporation. Recognize that there is water vapor in the air, and that water vapor may condense when it comes into contact with a cold surface. So what is condensation then? Have you seen your bathroom mirror mist up after you take a shower? What causes this to happen? Let's find out. The mist on the mirror is made up of tiny water droplets. To find out how the mist forms, fill a glass with ice-cold water, leave the glass at room temperature, observe the glass after a few minutes. What do you see on the outer surface? There is a water vapor in the air. When the water vapor comes into contact with the cold outer surface of the glass, it loses heat to the glass. The water vapor cools down and changes into droplets of liquid on the outer surface of the glass. You can try it, children, so you will know and you can see the water droplets. Moving on, there is hot water vapor in the bathroom when you take a hot shower. When this water vapor comes into contact with the cool surface of the mirror, it loses heat and changes into liquid water. This forms the mist of tiny water droplets on the mirror. Look at the picture here. I'm sure everybody can relate. When water vapor loses enough heat, it changes into liquid water. The change of a gas into a liquid is called condensation. It is the reverse of evaporation. Now, do you still remember the dewdrops? In page 2 of your pupil's book, dewdrops come from water vapor in the air. At night, the surfaces of plants cool down. The water vapor in the air condenses on these cool surfaces to form water droplets known as dewdrops. Look at the picture here. For sure, everybody can see dewdrops in the morning. You can check your plants early in the morning, children. As the surroundings warm up later in the day, the dewdrops gain heat and evaporate. The liquid dewdrops have changed back into water vapor. Now, do you wear spectacles? If you do, have you ever experienced your spectacles misting up when you are taking a hot drink? This is caused by the condensation of hot water vapor from the drink on the cool surface of your spectacles. Look at this picture. See? I also experienced that one, children, every time I want to sip my hot coffee or hot chocolate drink. Another example of condensation is the white mist that forms above boiling water. The mist is caused by the condensation of steam water when it comes into contact with the cool air in the surroundings. Look at the picture. Have you seen this one when mommy is cooking in the kitchen? I'm sure you do. So for lesson C, we have learned that the change of a gas into a liquid is called condensation. It is the reverse of evaporation. An example of condensation taking place is when dewdrops form. Water vapor condenses into liquid water when it loses enough heat. And that ends lesson C, children. Thanks for watching. Be ready and be on time for our Zoom meeting tomorrow. We will be discussing more about Lesson C. So children, stay safe and healthy at home and see you again next time. Bye bye. God bless everyone.